Students, we are going to continue the same chapter. It is chapter number 14, Basic Principle of Organic Chemistry. In today's lecture, we are going to study actually resonance. So, what is the resonance actually? So, first I am going to explain you the definition of resonance. So, the definition of resonance is the phenomena in which compound exists in a state which is combination of two or more electronic structure, each of which seems equally capable of describing most of the property of the compound, but none of them describing all the properties is called resonance or mesomerism. So, this is the definition of resonance. Now, actually what do you mean by this definition? So, just taking an example of carboxylic acid. In your screen, there are two resonance forms are here. So, these two resonance forms of carbonic acid explain the resonance phenomena of resonance. The carboxylic acid always loses a proton. That's why the electron density is shared by both the oxygen atom, and electrons are delocalized. This delocalization of electron do not belong to the single atom, nor they confine to about bond between two atoms. A compound with delocalized electron is said to have resonance. So it is the main thing, student. The compound which is having delocalized electron is said to have resonance. Means for the phenomena of resonance, compound should have delocalized electron. And the structure which is using localized electron are called resonance contributor or resonance structure or resonance form or contributing resonance structure. The actual structure which is composite of the two structure is called resonance hybrid. Now see, in this structure, this is the carboxylic structure. As you have seen in your screen, that carboxylic structure having delocalized electron. As you have seen, one bond containing two electron means when these two electrons shifting to oxygen, so double bond change into a single bond, and see in this structure there are 6 electrons. Here 4 electron. Whenever there is a shifting of electron, means whenever there is localization of electron take place, so it will be become 6 electron, and here 2 electrons shifting in a bond, so it will become double bond, and instead of 6 electron it will become 4 electron, as you have seen on your screen. This structure, in this structure here, this oxygen containing double bond, that's why carry 4 electron. Whenever one bond delocalize from here, so it will change into a 6 electron and carry single electron. This oxygen carries 6 electron. When 2 electron delocalize from here, so it will carry 4 electron. So these two structure are nothing but a resonance structure of carboxylic acid. And composite of these two structure, which is shown by in this form, it is called resonance hybrid structure. Composite of the two structure is called resonance hybrid, and it is drawn by using dotted line as shown on your screen. It is shown by using dotted line. With this dotted line shows that electrons are delocalized. I hope you understand. Always remember, student, whenever the compound having delocalized electron, they form resonance structure. And composite of resonance structure, here For example, here carboxylic acid show two resonance structure. So this composite of two resonance structure is known as resonance hybrid. But always remember, student, none of the structure will be show or will be explain the complete property of the atom or molecule. None of them describing all the property. Means resonance structure does not describe all the property of the compound. Resonance structure does not describe all the property of the compound. So it is the structure of carboxylic acid. We show resonance structure. Now the next is resonance in benzene. As you have seen, in benzene, again two structure are possible, resonance form 1, resonance form 2, and third structure is resonance hybrid. As you have seen on your screen, it is resonance form 1, it is resonance form 2, and it is resonance hybrid. See here, the conjugate double bond is different in these two structure. So each resonance form of benzene is clearly showed at 6 pi electron in the ring. As a student, always remember, delocalized electron are the pi electron. Delocalized electrons are the pi electron. Means whenever pi electrons are there in the structure, so resonance structure is possible, because pi electron are delocalized electron. So in this form, each resonance form of benzene clearly shows that there are 6 pi electron. There are 6 pi electron. Why there are 6 pi electron? Because 3 double bonds are there. Double bonds means they contain pi electron or delocalized electron. So one bond containing 2 electron. So there are 3 bonds. It means they are containing 6 pi electron. In example number 1, means the bond between carbon 1 and carbon 2 in benzene. See here, in bond, the bond between carbon and carbon 2 in benzene is not a double bond as shown in 1, nor it is a single bond as shown in 2. It is midway between what is represented by two resonance forms. The actual structure of benzene is the resonance hybrid, which is the average of the two resonance forms. So always remember, student, in structure 1 and in structure 2, we are taking a carbon 1 and carbon 2. Here again carbon 1 and carbon 2. So whenever we observe in these two structure, carbon 1 and carbon 2, so what is the conclusion? There is not a double bond as shown in 1, and nor it is a single bond as shown in 2. Means sometime it is a double bond, sometime it is a single bond. As you have seen in these two structure, carbon 1 and carbon 2, carbon 1 and carbon 2, sometime it is a double bond, sometime it is a single bond. That's why these are the resonance form. And whenever we have to show all the carbon, means any of the carbon can carry double bond or single bond, so it is known as resonance hybrid. Means we can put double bond here, we can put double bond here, or in this way also. Why? Because there are 6 pi electron which are delocalized electron, and they easily form resonance structure. Always remember, student, the cyclic structure of benzene incorporating 3 alternate carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-carbon double bond. As you have seen on your screen, 3 single bond and 3 double bonds are there. Here also 3 single bond and 3 double bond are there. And experimentally it is shown that benzene has a regular hexagonal shape, and all the 6 carbon bond have the same bond length, and the bond length is 138 picometer. which is intermediate between carbon-carbon single bond or carbon-carbon double bond. This means that all 6 carbon-carbon bonds in benzene are equivalent. But what is the expected actually? The expectation is the bond length which is on the double bond is 133 and the single bond is 154. It is the exception. It is expected. But what is the actually observation? Actual observation is all the bond length or all the 6 carbon bond have the same bond length and it is 138 picometer, which is intermediate between carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-carbon double bond. And what is expectation? So expectation is carbon-carbon single bond having 154 picometer and carbon-carbon double bond having 133 picometer. But what is actually observation? That benzene having all carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-carbon double bond 138 picometer bond length and benzene having a regular hexagonal shape. In benzene there are alternating carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-carbon double bond. So it is all about the resonance structure of benzene. Now more resonance structure. So the next structure is resonance structure in nitroethane. See here student on your screen, this double-headed arrow shows that these are the resonance form. Resonance form may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They all are equal. So double bond in one structure is the single bond in another structure, as you have seen on your screen. Here double bond on this oxygen and here double bond on that oxygen. Means the double bond in one structure is the single bond in another structure. And what is the resonance hybrid show? It is show that 2 nitrogen oxygen bond are identical and the negative charge is shared by both the oxygen atom, as you have seen on the in this structure. This is the resonance hybrid. It is the resonance structure of nitroethane. What is the difference only? The double bond in one structure is the single bond in another structure. And what is the resonance hybrid show? Resonance hybrid shows that 2 nitrogen oxygen bond are identical and the negative charge is shared by both the oxygen atom. The p orbital of nitrogen overlap with p orbital of the oxygen atom. In other words, if you can say, so it may be 2 electrons are shared by 3 atoms. 2 electrons are shared by these 3 atoms. Always remember student, for resonance, p orbital can overlap effectively. P orbital is overlap effectively. So here p orbital of nitrogen and p orbital of oxygen overlap with each other, or you can say 2 electrons are shared by these 3 atoms. So these are the resonance structure of nitroethane. Always remember student, for resonance structure, only electron can move. Nuclei of the atom never move from here and there. Only electron can be moved. Bond angle always remain the same. No changing in the bond angle. Student, always remember, for resonance structure only electron can move. Nuclei does not move. Bond angle always same. And the only electron that can move are pi electron and lone pair. Bond pair cannot move. Only pi electron and lone pair of electrons can be moved and bond pair cannot be moved. The number of unpaired electron always same. If the compound is more stable, means they does not contain unpaired electron, means all the electron must remain in the paired in all the resonance structure. There is no unpaired electron. If compound is completely stable, there is no unpaired electron. So in resonance structure, all the electron must remain same. The major resonance contributor is the one with lowest energy. Always remember, student, negative charges are more stable on more electronegative atoms such as oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. Resonance stabilization is more important when it serves to delocalize the charges over two or more atoms. Electron can be moved in one of the following way. See here, electron can be moved in one of the following way. In this example, movement of pi electron towards a positive charge. So electron can be moved means in this way also. Moving of electron is compulsory for resonating structure. In this resonating structure, moving of pi electron is towards the positive charge. Just see here, moving of electron towards the positive charge. So how can the resonating form changes? Double bond is here. Whenever moving of pi electron is done here, so double bond is shifted to another side. And because of moving of pi electron towards a positive charge or towards a pi bond, that's why they carry plus half charges. See here, in the next example, second example, lone pair of electron towards a pi bond. Lone pair of electron, nitrogen carry one lone pair of electron. So lone pair of electron can be moving to a pi electron in this structure. This lone pair shifting here, so this single bond change into a double bond, and is this double bond change into a single bond. Here 4 electrons are there. When one bond is going here, so this double bond is changing into a single bond. So this second type show the lone pair of electron, shifting of lone pair of electron towards a pi bond. Now most of the example are there in which single non-bonding electron towards a pi bond. So in this way there are 3 types of resonance depending upon the movement of electron. One is the moving of pi electron towards a positive charge. Another is the moving of lone pair of electron towards a pi bond. Next is the moving of a single non-bonding electron towards a pi bond. So in this type there are 3 movement of electron can be take place. So these are all about the resonating structure or carbon-carbon single bond or carbon-carbon double bond or pi bond of structure. So always remember, for drawing the resonating structure, moving of electron is necessary. And this electron may be pi electron and lone pair of electron. So these all are about the resonance. I hope you understand. In next lecture, we will study the next topic. Student, in this resonance hybrid or in this resonance form, see here positive charge is there. Positive charge is there and negative charge is there. Nitrogen and oxygen. Here dotted line shows that delocalization of electron. Always remember. So this is all about the resonance. In the next lecture, we will study resonance effect and more topic from this chapter. Thank you so much.